Welcome to Talking Trash, and today we're going to talk about the 3 E's of recycling. That's one of the things. Energy, economy, and the environment. Now when we recycle, do you think it helps any one of those 3 E's? It absolutely does. We reduce energy by recycling. So if you recycle your pop cans and your aluminum cans, your pop bottles, your paper, we're using less virgin material, less original material, and we're using the products that we've already mined, the petroleum that we've already used for making the plastic the first time. We don't have to pull that out of the ground again. We can use that petroleum product pop bottle that's made out of petroleum. Did you know that? Yeah, I think that's so cool. It's very interesting. So we reduce energy by recycling. It actually uses less energy too, lowers our greenhouse gases by recycling. Now, do you think it's important for our economy? To me, this is the most important fact right now, especially in the economy that we have right now. Reducing the costs of mining new product out of the ground. I just want to give you a couple facts, and I'm going to look at them here because I'm old and I can't remember all the facts that I have. Recycling. We have the 1 million tons of material which could be recycled has an estimated value of $312 million. Is that amazing or what? It costs Minnesotans $200 million to throw it away. So to me that's interesting. If recycling versus throwing it away. Recycling industry or directly and indirectly supports almost 20,000 jobs, paying an estimated $760 million to those people that work those jobs. Do you think that affects our economy? Absolutely. And adding nearly $3 billion to the state's economy. I think right there's applause for recycling. Isn't that great? So it is so important that we recycle. And do you think it's important for the environment? Just for the fact that it reduces what we throw into our landfills, that's awesome right there. Just a little fact, in 2006, the impact of residential recycling saved 46 trillion BTUs of energy. That equates to enough energy to power all the homes in Ramsey County in the metro area. Isn't that amazing? But the only thing with that is there's still an estimated 1.3 million tons of waste generated that could have been recycled. So we're throwing it, we're recycling it, but we can do more. And so that's what I want to encourage people. Do more recycling, buy recycled. I have a couple items here, buy recycled. That's important, that keeps that loop going. If you recycle and you buy recycled, they can keep using that product. Now I have a question for you. Would you have questions for me? If it has to do with recycling or reducing waste or hazardous waste, please send them to me. I would love to hear the questions, and hopefully I'll have an answer. If I don't have an answer, I'll find you an answer. I'll look high and low for an answer for you. So just let me give you the information. You can call me, or you can email me. I'd love to find some answers. I'd love to hear some questions. I have friends that ask me. I have people that I see on the road that ask me. I want you to email me or call me. My email is slgunde@co.becker.mn.us, or you can call me at 846-7310, or you can look on our website, and that is co.becker.mn.us/environmental services. Love to hear from you. Have a great day.